This is how to write ra first, starting from above the center line. Dot towards the lower right. Then, slightly to the left of the center line, gently curve while bringing it down to the lower left. Stop here for a moment. Then move upwards to the right and rotate it smoothly. Finally, flick near the center line. Now, let's explore ri. For the first stroke, expand slightly to the left, stopping around the center line and jumping up to the upper right. Then, with the image of connecting to the second stroke, maintain a similar distance from the center line for both strokes. Expands from a higher position than the first stroke, curving down to the right. Finally, flick near the center line. First, draw a short, upward slanting line to the upper right. Then, bring it down to the lower left, curving right, forming a round shape. After crossing the center line, move up to the upper right, then down to the lower right, creating a knot. It takes on a shape resembling a long trapezoid. For the first stroke, expand to the left while starting from the initial point. Bring it straight down. Then, with the image of connecting to the second stroke, slant upwards to the right. The left side is longer, and the right side slightly protrudes as they intersect. Move down to the lower left, stop here for a moment, then rise significantly upwards to the right. Stop here again. Bring it down while curving to the right, and finally, flick. The first vertical stroke should be higher. The peak on the upper right should be slightly lower than the first vertical stroke. The final flick should be positioned slightly above the first vertical stroke. Finally, let's look at ro. First, pull a short horizontal line towards the upper right, stopping here. Then bring it straight down to the lower left, stopping again. Rise slightly to the upper right, rotate smoothly, and finally, flick near the center line.